Hi, this is Brandon White, and this is another quick tip with Reets Drying Academy. What is the IICRC AMRT? A lot of people think it's a mold remediation class. As it turns out, AMRT stands for Applied Microbial Remediation Technician. So it's not just mold. We do talk about mold in the S520, but we bring in the S500. And in the S500, we talk about Category 2, Category 3, what's involved with those things. So you've got bacteria, parasites, and viruses. Now, in the AMRT class, we do hands-on, and we also go through the didactic section. So we look at the S500 and the S520. What is the established standard of care? How can you know what it is if you don't have it and read it? Even when you do read the standard of care, sometimes it's not very clear on exactly what parts are the established standard. We look at that. What OSHA and EPA regulations might apply with regards to environmental microorganisms. We look at things like information from the American Conference for Governmental Industrial Hygienists. We bring in the American Industrial Hygiene Association information. It's not just the standard of care. If you want to learn more about the standard of care and the science behind why we do what we do, come see us at Reets Drying Academy.